Hello, I'm Chef Mark with Escoffier Online International Culinary Academy. Today's recipe is how to cook bitter spinach, or better yet, how to cook spinach so it isn't bitter. Spinach, especially when it's mature, has lots of oxalic acid, which tends to be bitter, and like solanine in potatoes can be tart. So what we'd like to do to make spinach not bitter is by tender young spinach, make sure we wash it. If it's very sandy, fresh from the market, with the roots attached like these were, luke cool, I call it, or a slightly warm water, tends to wilt some of the leaves and gets a lot of the sand off. So when you wash spinach, lift it out of the water and into a colander. For this preparation, you'll want to have the spinach dry, because if we're going to saute it, it might splatter some of the olive oil. So we have olive oil we're using for this. We have fresh garlic, diced onions, black pepper, and some sea salt or coarse salt. We've removed the stems and we as we say, de-ribbed the spinach. A lot of the bitterness can be in the stems as well. So this is perfectly dry. It's a great preparation. Sometimes add a little stock to enhance the flavor. So the oil in the garlic and onions tends to minimize the bitterness. The oil does coat it very nicely. So we have our nice skillet on the stove. Add our oil. See how it's swirling? Always heat your pan first. Oil starts to smoke, all right? What's next? Onions first. All right, give that a swirl. They're turning brown already. Add some garlic. Add your spinach. And some of that liquid helps it steam. And we'll stir that on the stove. You can do a small batch if you like, if you don't have a skillet this large. And keep the nice garlic and onions moving. Add the rest of your spinach on top of that. You say, oh, a 5-pound bag of spinach, that's a lot of spinach. It's not, it really wilts very quickly. So a nice high invite. And you can see we're sauteing that, how beautiful that is. Turn off the heat now. Going to add just a little stock to moisten it. And then we'll cool it down. Cool the pan down as well. So that's cooking up really nice. So now we'll dish up our nice tender spinach. Not bitter, nice and soft, very smooth. Nice consistency, beautiful appeal, great presentation, sauteed spinach.